Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson. I'm going to take you through our 2008 Sea Ray 230 Select. Beautiful red boat, comes with trailer, wakeboard tower with racks, bimini. This boat is equipped with a 350 MarineMax DTS, that's digital throttle. Got the nice sea decking here in the back of the boat. Got rear transom controls for the stereo. Huge, nice sun pad for hanging out at the lake. Nice little step down through here. Lots of cup holders and space in here. Co-captain's chair with bolsters. It's got a nice in-floor storage. Has an air dam door to shut across here. Very big, nice bow for the front for riding up here, and a couple speakers. A couple more cup holders. Boat's equipped with a front ladder to access off the front when you get to the beach. So come on out to MarineMax in Greenville and check out this wonderful boat, or check us out online at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you.